It's bright and early. Life just keeps getting better and better once you graduate. This video is brought to you by Squarespace, the all-in-one platform for building your brand and growing your business online. Good morning, everybody. I have crazy lines all over my face. I just washed my face with my new favorite cleansing balm. I was sleeping on cleansing balms forever. Don't be like me. It's bright and early and I'm ready to take on the day. This oil is the best thing my skin has ever felt, and it's blue. Makes it even cooler. But good morning. It's very early and I'm ready to take on the day. I'm so excited. Look at my Celsius. It's the peach vibe flavor and it tastes just like peach rings, the candy. It really looks like I'm drinking a Mountain Dew though. This is exactly what I need this morning. I got up at like 5:15 this morning and I laid in bed for about 45 minutes and then I finally got up and now I'm ready, especially with this. I have a busy, more so like productive day. I just have a lot of things that I want to get done. I want to do a quick little yoga flow. I'm gonna work out a little bit later. I'm just not feeling it this morning. So let's just do a little yoga flow, get myself moving and grooving. And the hoops go in always, even for a morning yoga flow. Alright, I just got a little bit of work done and I need my hoodie. Right now, I want to clean up. I just need to tidy up and then I want to just get all the surfaces wiped down and it all vacuumed in here. I also want to clean my bathroom. Same thing, like vacuum all the surfaces and then like clean the sink, the toilet, my shower, and I think I'm going to crack another Celsius. I've never drank more than 1 Celsius in a day, but today's the day, so. Let's deep clean this place. I really want to go through all my closets, my desk drawer, and reorganize, but that needs at least a whole day dedicated. I'm gonna pop in my AirPods. It's moments like these where I wish I had the fancy Apple headphones. Why? I don't need them. I just want them, but I won't buy them. I won't. I'm telling myself, you don't need them, don't buy them. I'm gonna throw on some music or a podcast and let's get to it. Okay, I'm gonna make a protein smoothie right now. This is my favorite. When I'm eating, like, I guess healthy-ish, more so like I'm trying to eat on the healthier side, but I'm also just trying to like eat more meals at home and just like take care and nourish my body. I like to make these smoothies because one, it has like a ton of calories in it, so it's literally a meal, and it's also just packed full of protein because I put some protein powder in it, banana, peanut butter, and then Also just like a ton of spinach because it's good for you, and I don't get enough greens in my diet, so the best way for me to do that is to drink smoothies and put spinach with them because you literally can't taste it at all. I put like a hefty scoop of peanut butter in. I want to say thank you to Squarespace for sponsoring today's video. If you've never heard of Squarespace, it's an all-in-one platform for you to build your brand and grow your online business. You can create a beautiful website to really do anything, whether it's to engage with your audience, sell a product, even sell your time. And there's tons of features. You can sell gated content through your website, whether it's, newsletters, tutorials, workshops, online courses. They have mailing lists, blogging, and commenting features. Also scheduling, so if you're selling your time and booking appointments with clients. And you can also sell your products through an online store. Squarespace has all the tools for you, whether it's a physical product or a digital product. I've said this before, it's 2023. It's time for you to launch your online presence or your passion project. Doing YouTube and things on social media, there's always the question of like, how did you start? How did you get into this? Like, how did you begin? And the best advice I have, and what I always tell anyone who asks me that, is to just start. You may feel like your industry or market is saturated, but it's only going to be more saturated the days that go on that you don't launch. Just launch and adjust. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just start. Get started building your passion project, launch your online presence, whatever it may be. And one of the best tools to utilize is Squarespace. They'll help you hit the ground running, so you guys can head to squarespace.com/brookedeitis to save 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. It's time for you to build your brand, your online store, connect with your audience deeper, whatever it is. Let me know in the comments of this video what it is. I feel like we've built such a kind, supportive, passionate community, and let's all support each other and maybe find a new creator or a new small business to support. Thank you again to Squarespace for sponsoring today's video. Everything will be linked down in the description box for you guys. This is something that I've been wanting to do for months. I actually got all the things to do it at Christmas time, and I just haven't done it. I haven't had the time. And it's to do my own nails at home. I stopped going to the nail salon because it's so expensive. I honestly feel like I stopped my junior year of college going to the nail salon because it's sickening how much money you spend. And my nails grow so fast that they really only stay looking good for like a week. But I have a ton of stuff for gel nails and dip nails. Oh my gosh, I ordered this stuff so long ago. This is the like Tin Man Can Chrome powder. What was that called on TikTok? I'm blanking. The like Hailey Bieber nails. I don't remember. I'm just gonna try to figure this out right now and we'll see how it goes, I guess. I'm in my sweatsuit now. I'm gonna put on a little bit of makeup. I just showered, did my workout. I used to never wear concealer, and now I'm so used to seeing myself with concealer that I can't tell if I actually feel like my under eye bags are getting darker or if I'm just now used to seeing my face with concealer. I don't know. I have so much Aquaphor just lying around my apartment. So I did my nails and they're cute, but I forgot to put the sparkles on this one nail, this one. So I just have like these sparkly nails and one nail that I forgot. As I was doing my nails, I'm like, oh my God, this sucks. I really like don't enjoy doing it. Maybe if I didn't have things to do, I would enjoy it if I was just like watching TV doing my nails, but oh my God, it's a long process. Like the filing process for shaping them, painting them, and curing them under the light. There's just it takes a lot of time. And I was like, oh my God, as I'm doing it, I'm like, this sucks. And now that they're done, I'm like, this is amazing because I literally have gel nails and I didn't have to pay a dime. So I do highly recommend. I think today I just like wasn't feeling it because I have so much to do. The day also got super gloomy out of nowhere. We had like a little taste of summer. I guess this is like 2 weeks ago now, but it's back. It's been cold for like 2 weeks, but I think we're creeping up and it should be nice and warm soon. A bunch of my friends are graduating from college and I feel like I'm more emotional about them graduating than I was about me graduating, because when I graduated I knew like, oh, I'm gonna be up there and I'm still gonna be seeing them, and now like everyone is, moving to different cities and moving home, and it's just really sad. It makes sense though that I'm like more sad about them graduating than when I was, because like nothing changed when I graduated. Like I knew they were all still gonna be there. They were going into their senior year. When my Snapchat memories come up and show me stuff from even like junior year of college now, I'm like, that flew by so fast and it's just sad. So if you're in college right now, enjoy it, and it really is like one of the best times of your life. But with that being said, life just keeps getting better and better. Once you graduate, you and all your friends actually have money and you can like do fun things, go on trips, and it's nice to like find a like normal life balance. But life really does just keep getting better after college and you have time to like really focus on yourself. It's also a time where you have to focus on yourself. You're really forced to, because unless you just want to work all day and lay in bed the rest of the time, like you kind of have to force yourself to do things and do things that make you feel good and implement good habits, because it is really easy to just like lay in bed and do nothing, and I definitely do that all the time. But there's just like a lot of discipline you kind of learn after college. Everyone's experience is different. I'm definitely just speaking from my own, but yeah, it's definitely an adjustment, and I feel for you all who are about to go through it, and just stay grounded and you'll be great. Congratulations to all of you that are graduating, and yeah, life just keeps getting better and exciting things just keep happening, hitting more milestones in your life, and it's something to be excited about, not to be sad about and resist the change. Change is good. It's going to lead you to all the amazing things that are going to happen in your life, and it's just really exciting. But okay, I'm going to read my book for a little bit right now. I have an appointment coming up like in the next 45 minutes. I think I'm just going to like sit down and read my book for a minute. So I'm going to end off this video here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you. If you made it to the end of this video, comment this emoji, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.